Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This portion of rural paradise awaits you. Nestled in the quiet rural community of Ballards Valley, Junction, St. Elizabeth, is this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom single family dwelling, ready to be your next home. This property is located on approximately 9,293 square feet of land with space for future development. Included in this floor plan is a veranda, kitchen, dining room, living room, and washroom ready for your use. What does this property lack, you might ask? Well, only you. With some tender love and care, this property has the potential to be your dream home. It is centrally located within reach of schools, shops, and other amenities. This property also has fruit trees on the site for your delight. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, grilled kitchen built in, main level entry, fully fenced, easy access, family oriented, hillside, rural setting, quiet area, and a level lot. The current price of this house is Jamaican $15 million or US $95,700. Now, let's take a look at this home. And please remember to leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.